Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Baptism Balloons Boy is probably one of the most cherished and memorable ways to celebrate a baby boy's baptism, adding a touch of ethereal beauty and symbolic significance to this sacred occasion. These specially designed balloons are crafted to evoke a sense of purity, joy, and divine blessing, making them a perfect addition to your decorations as you welcome your little one into the Christian faith. Imagine a cascade of these elegant balloons floating gently, creating a serene and festive atmosphere that honors this momentous milestone in your child's life and your family's journey. Number 5. DUBEDAT Blue White Gold Balloon Garland Arch Kit. Introducing our stunning balloon garland kit, a perfect blend of blue, white, and gold. It brings an air of elegance, purity, and nobility to any celebration. This versatile kit is ideal for weddings, bridal showers, birthdays, baby showers, and anniversaries. It's the ultimate choice for making your special events unforgettable. Creating a beautiful balloon garland is simple. Just inflate the balloons, attach them to the arch chain, and arrange them by color and size for a stunning visual effect. We ensure the balloons display true colors, allowing your creativity to shine. Trust your inspiration to craft a unique and beautiful decoration for your party. For the best results, inflate balloons to about 85% capacity. Avoid strong sunlight, as it can cause them to burst. It works wonderfully with both air and helium. What we like. This balloon garland kit offers a sophisticated blend of blue, white, and gold, perfect for creating an elegant atmosphere. Its straightforward assembly means you can achieve a gorgeous look with minimal effort. If you are planning a wedding, bridal shower, or any elegant celebration and want a visually stunning backdrop that's easy to put together, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The balloons are good quality and easy to inflate. It really made the party look special and fun. Great quality. I only had one balloon pop and it was my fault. Number 4. Dusty Blue Balloon Arch Kit. Introducing our beautiful balloon arch kit, perfect for any celebration. It includes a variety of sizes and colors to make your decorations pop. Crafted from natural latex, these balloons are safe for everyone. You can trust them to stay inflated throughout your event, ensuring a worry-free experience. Setting up your balloon arch is a breeze with the included accessories. Simply inflate, assemble, and enjoy a stunning display with minimal effort. From baby showers to weddings and birthdays, this kit is designed to impress. Add a touch of elegance and fun to any occasion you're celebrating. Remember to inflate balloons to about 85% and avoid prolonged sun exposure to prevent bursting. We're here to help if you have any questions. What we like. Crafted from natural latex, these balloons are safe for both adults and children, ensuring peace of mind during your event. The kit provides a beautiful mix of colors and sizes, suitable for a wide range of celebrations. If you're looking for a reliable and safe balloon set for a boy's baby shower, wedding, or graduation, this option offers both quality and versatility. What people say. The balloons were great quality, thick, durable, and easy to tie without popping. The combination of shades really stood out and made the setup look so polished. These balloons never die. Today is July 17th, I set up the balloon arch on July 2nd and they are still inflated and going strong. Number 3. Juvale Baptism Decorations Tableware Set. Celebrate your baby boy's special day with our elegant tableware set. It provides a refined and cohesive look, perfect for christenings and first communions. Focus on the celebration, not the cleanup. Our disposable set makes post-event tidying a breeze, ideal for busy hosts. This 144-piece set includes everything you need to serve up to 24 guests. It's perfectly curated for a successful baby boy baptism. Crafted from premium materials, these plates and napkins are both durable and stylish. The elegant blue design complements your party theme perfectly. Each piece is thoughtfully sized for an optimal guest experience. From the plates to the napkins, everything is designed to enhance your celebration. What we like. This comprehensive tableware set is designed to serve up to 24 guests, providing everything you need for a baptism or first communion celebration. The disposable nature of the plates, cups, and napkins makes post-party cleanup a breeze, allowing you to focus on the joy of the occasion. If you're hosting a baby boy's baptism or first communion and want a convenient, elegant, and complete solution for your table settings, this set is ideal. What people say. Muy bonito el motivo decorativo. Muy bien producto. The plates are paper with a plastic film that make them sturdier. The color of the silverware was such a pretty blue and went with our decor well. Number 2. WATINC 36 PCS Cross God Bless Balloons. Make your religious celebrations unforgettable with these elegant balloons. Perfect for baptisms, christenings, and baby showers. Featuring a beautiful cross design in classic gold and silver, these balloons add a touch of sophistication to any event. They are designed to impress. Crafted from durable, eco-friendly latex, these balloons are non-toxic and safe for your guests. They can be inflated and reused multiple times, offering great value. These balloons are ideal for a wide range of events, including religious parties, birthdays, weddings, and baby showers. They create a joyful atmosphere. Inflate them easily with air or helium for up to 72 hours of floating fun. We recommend using a pump and supervising children during use. You'll receive 36 balloons in total, 12 gold and 24 silver, along with a ribbon. Each balloon measures 12 inches, creating a stunning visual impact. What we like. Featuring an exquisite gold and silver color theme with cross patterns, these balloons add a unique religious touch to your celebration. Made from durable, eco-friendly natural latex, they can be inflated with air or helium and reused. If you need decoration specifically for a christening, baptism, or first communion and want a durable, themed option that can be enjoyed more than once, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. The balloons looked great and are still inflated with regular air a week after the event. Great for religious celebrations. Good quality. As advertised. These balloons are beautiful, yes, but ours popped by themselves all night long before our party, so we didn't have balloons for the party nor any sleep before the party. Quality of this product is a shame. Number 1. God Bless Banner Baptism Decorations. Make your special occasions unforgettable with our beautiful blue and white cross balloon set. It's the perfect way to add a festive touch to any celebration. Setting up is a breeze. You can inflate them with air or helium for a floating effect. Remember not to overfill them for the best results. These mylar balloons can be deflated and saved for future events. Enjoy long-lasting decorations that you can use again and again. Add a pop of color to your indoor or outdoor celebrations. The confetti balloons add an extra touch of sparkle when rubbed with a dry towel. Ideal for baptisms, first communions, baby showers, and many other religious and festive events. Create lasting memories with these versatile decorations. These decorations are designed to add a touch of elegance and joy to your most cherished moments. They are suitable for a variety of religious ceremonies and celebrations. What we like. This set features a cute blue and white cross balloon design, perfect for creating a memorable background for your celebration. The balloons are quick and easy to assemble, and mylar balloons can be deflated for future use. If you're looking for a versatile and easy-to-use decoration set suitable for a wide array of religious events like baptisms, confirmations, or first communions, and even holidays, this option offers great value. What people say. The balloons and banner are pretty and look quality. The cross designs on the balloons appear quality as well. Overall, these balloons were beautiful. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.